everyone. Well, I thought I'd just take you on a little tour and show you my master bedroom closet, the small portion that I set up for an area where I can get dressed. It's my little dressing room. It's where I sit and chat with you on videos. And I finally got most of it, about 95% of it put together. Still have some rearranging to do. I don't have electricity that's run into the closet area right now, but I'm going to have an electrician come over and put a couple of wall sockets in. So right now I'm just running my lighting through an extension on the opposite side into the master bathroom, but it turned out to be just my little piece of heaven and a quaint little area where I can feel comfortable and happy and content, and it's just a neat little area to have. I've always had my vanities for the last 2 years in the bathrooms because they've had built-in vanities, and it's just worked out, and it's been great, and with cabinets and drawers. But this particular house had the dual sinks and the long countertops, but it didn't have a built-in vanity, so I really didn't want to have to put my vanity in our master bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom, but you know how it is when you're getting ready and you're running out, and you're using your hair dryer and everything is just always out and kind of messy looking, and I really never really liked that. So I was really fortunate that I could take this portion of our master bedroom closet and set it up as a little dressing area, and it just came out really sweet. So I want to show it and share it with you. So stick around and come on over and take a look. This is entering into the vanity area, the little portion that I have set up, and just straight on you can see I have a 3-tiered little mini baker's rack there, and I've just got those 4 little plastic bins, and right now it's just storing things that I took out of boxes that I have to find a permanent home for, but it was just a way of being able to get those boxes undone. And then I have, as we approach, just this cute little wire mesh basket. Oops, sorry, a little wobbly there. 2-tiered with a mirror bottom, and I've housed my extra colognes and perfumes and a couple of my glosses that I use pretty regularly, and the bottom for nail polishes, and I got that at Michael's at 50% off. And I have just a little bust with some of my jewelry on it. My granddaughter was in here, so she was kind of decorating with her own little touch, so I'm just going to leave that there. And I have hanging there one of my Silk Nouvelle apparel scarves, and here I have my lipsticks housed in these little acrylic cases, and I've hung a couple of older pictures that I had from my last 2 homes that I love. I love them because they're just quaint little pictures, give you that nice little splash of color, and they just make me feel good when I see them. And so I kind of went along with that little motif of the Eiffel Tower, and I have this little earring holder with some of my just costume earrings, and here I have a couple of my necklaces that I kind of wear pretty often. This is a really long waist necklace that I really like. I believe I bought that on Etsy, and this is a Stella and Dot gold arrow necklace, and this one is really neat. This is called a rice necklace, and I picked this up in Charleston when we were vacationing in North and South Carolina, and then we went to the Charleston area marketplace, and there's a great significance to these rice necklaces, and they're very delicate and petite, and I just love it, and I love wearing it. But that was a neat little thing that I purchased several years ago. And this is my apothecary little cabinet, and I have all of my lotions and shampoos and conditioners and hairsprays and anything else you can think of housed there. And over here I have this cute little chandelier lamp that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and at Big Lots I did get that bicycle clock. I thought it was just adorable. And I have this cute little Boyd's Bear that I have had for probably 15 years or more. I have a little collection of Boyd's Bears, and I have a set of these little bears that I call my tea party ladies, but this one actually from Boyd's is named because of course she is so Chanel-esque looking with her little feather in her hat, and her name actually is Chanel de la Plumette, and so she's been a favorite little bear of mine. And this is a picture of my granddaughter when she was 8 days old, and as you can see, she's wearing her baby pearl necklace that I bought for her when she was born, and I think it just goes so well with her sweet little belly button. And this is a 6 hole cubby that I bought at Big Lots, and believe it or not, I put it together myself with the assistance of my husband on Facebook, and I'm so proud that I was able to do that. It was really a great buy. I mean, I needed something more for some storage, and I just love it and love the way it looked and the way I could decorate it. And over here I have another 3-drawer plastic bin housing some of my extra supplies, and there's a couple more bears because I love bears, but that one is very special to me. That is hand stitched by my goddaughter, and I've probably had that for over 20 years, and so that kind of follows me in all my dressing rooms. And this is my vanity, and I just love it. It's a little sweet desk that I bought. It's not very old. I've bought it maybe about 4 years ago. It was supposed to be a honey oak color. I had honey oak furniture at that time, but it turned out to be really, as you can see, the natural wood here, really, really red. And since then, we've bought new bedroom furniture, and it's in that deep espresso color, and I just didn't like the color at all. So what I did was I chalk painted it in white, and then I stressed it by just scuffing it up with, and I just stressed it out myself by scratching it up and the corners, and I just like that worn look, that antique-y look. But this is all chalk paint. It's very simple, very easy, and it was fun to do. And this is my vanity chair, which of course doesn't go with the vanity itself, but this I bought at a garage sale about 24 years ago. It was dirty, filthy, full of grease, oil, and again, that I washed up, cleaned up, and then I painted it and stressed it a little bit. And when I say stress, I mean I don't take a hammer or anything. I just take steel wool and a couple of different number sizes to get the stressing that I want, and then I just run some clear varnish over it just to bring out the wood. But that was a fun project to do. And so on my vanity, it's not really that practical because the drawers are so shallow, but you know what? It's functional, and I do have what I use mostly on a routine basis kept in these drawers, and I have this little holder that I could separate and put stuff in to make it easy. So for me, it is functional. And as you can see, I have all my cords running here because I have to get electrical put in here. But that's just another little bench stool that I had, and I also chalk painted it. That lamp there I've had for many, many years, and I believe that might have come from Target, but I'm not sure. I have my sign just stuck on the little rack holders. It's going to go above the doorway, though, right here in the the closet opening door. But it's a sign that says "It's a Wonderful Life," and it's from my favorite movie with Jimmy Stewart and Donna Reed, that It's a Wonderful Life, and I love to be reminded of it. And if any of you are not familiar with it, it's an awesome, awesome movie, and I have to watch it every season, usually 2 or 3 times, because there's an angel on there whose name is Clarence, and he's just awesome. So this is the top rack of my closet right now, and I pretty much just have some extra project buckets and bins and seasonal clothing bins and product from my business, and just some extra bins housing shoes and purses and seasonal pillows. And I won't share my husband's end, but another thing that I'll talk to you about are these hangers that I have transitioned my closet over completely. You just get so much room. They're great on your clothes. Love them. I would recommend them. But I think if I can just give you a bird's eye view, I think it's really just my little piece of heaven. It's quaint. It's just a fun place to come in and do my makeup and sit and chat with you while I'm doing videos, and I'm real happy with how it turned out. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you real soon. So until then, be kind, be humble, and age gracefully. Bye.